HFM Plate Heat Exchanger is a flexible component utilized across diverse industries, especially in the marine industry. Its compact framework and exceptional heat transmission effectiveness are crucial in preserving ideal temperatures and conserving energy in marine applications. The significance of heat exchange in maintaining the regular operation of marine turbines cannot be understated, as these engines require precise temperature control for optimal functionality. Heat exchanger plays a pivotal role in marine engines, encompassing main and auxiliary oil coolers, cylinder liners, freshwater coolers, fuel heaters, steam condensers, water heaters, and other essential equipment. HFM Plate Heat Exchanger improves the engine's optimal operating temperature, prolongs its lifespan, and reduces fuel consumption. Besides, HFM Plate Heat Exchanger functions in marine air conditioning systems to cool the air prior to its circulation around the vessel. This guarantees effective heat transfer between the refrigerant and the circulating water, facilitating a comfortable environment for both the crew and passengers. At HFM, we understand the specific challenges faced in the marine industry and provide a range of dependable and efficient thermal systems for vessels, including a diverse selection of marine heat exchangers. For further details on HFM Marine Heat Exchanger solution, please click on the link below.